Your long talking boring videos don't convert and kills engagement. A way to make them more interesting is to put dynamic text, images, or even motion graphics behind yourself to transform viewers from passive scrollers into active learners. I'll show you how to easily do it with DaVinci Resolve's AI Magic Mask, and the best part is that it doesn't require a green screen or perfect lighting. Let's go. Alright, here in DaVinci Resolve in the Edit tab, let's drag and drop our video to the timeline. Here it is. And now, holding the Option button, let's drag and drop the video to another video track. And now let's put it on the third or fourth video track, because the whole idea here is to leave a gap in between the video that's going to have the mask, which is me, and the background. And everything that you put in between these tracks is going to be behind me, okay? Let me make this smaller so we can see everything. Now let's put something in between the background and the magic mask. Let's just put a text here. Let's make it all the way here. Let's just change the title to something like example, and let's make it bigger. Let's actually hide the magic mask layer or track just so we can see what's happening there. There you go. Now let's enable it back. Select the video that's going to be the magic mask, and now go to the color tab. Now here in the color tab, this might look intimidating, but don't worry, it's very easy to digest. The first thing is here in the nodes section, let's right click anywhere and let's select the add alpha output. That's going to enable this blue dot over here. And now let's connect the blue square in our first node to that blue dot. That's going to be connecting the alpha output. Now, here is going to appear the magic mask option. If you don't see it, just click on this option over here. The magic mask is going to reveal itself. And there you will see some of the options to make it the way that we need. First, I always like to define the quality as better. And I normally like to push a little bit on the clean black and the clean white and the denoise. This is going to help the magic mask to be more refined and look much natural. Now let's click on this plus icon, and this is going to allow us to select which portion of the image we want the mask to be part of. The first thing is obviously my face. I want my my chest, everything here, and even my chair. So let's click on my face. That's going to make this blue button appear. And there you go. Now this looks weird, obviously, because we haven't told anything about our chest. So let's add another dot over there. Perfect. And now we can see that the chair is not part of it. So let's also click on the chair. And boom, there you go. Also, I want to select my hands because I make a lot of hands movement. So let me just select my hand here. And there you go. So now this is only applied to the specific frame that we're at. We have to tell it to apply it on all of the video that we have. All we have to do is click this button right here, which is going to be scanning all the way through forward and reverse to apply the mask to all of the video. So let's do that. This is going to take some time depending on your video graphic card, but don't worry, just let it there, grab a coffee and wait for a second. So there you go. Now it's done. It's completed, and that's it. We can go back to the edit page and continue to add things between the video track where we have the Magic Mask AI, which is this one, and the background. In between, you can add anything and it will appear below you. So for example, you can add animations to the things in that particular layer. So let's add here maybe a transition as this text is appearing, and you will be able to play that and see the text appearing behind us. And there you go. I just saved you from another flat lifeless video. Now subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your future self will thank you.